Hey everyone! So Elon Musk has done it again, and this time he's talking about the robots taking over. Yes, you heard me right. At VivaTech 2024, Musk declared that artificial intelligence is set to take all our jobs. But hey, don't worry, it's not necessarily a bad thing. Imagine a world where you don't have to wake up to the sound of your alarm clock screaming at you. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, according to Musk, that could be our future. A future where robots and AI handle all the work, and humans, well, we just chill out. Elon introduced this wild idea of a universal high income. That's not just your regular old universal basic income, folks. This is high income. We're talking big bucks for doing absolutely nothing. Picture it, sitting on your couch, munching popcorn, and maybe, just maybe, deciding what color your next robot should be. But here's the kicker. What do we do when we don't have to do anything? Musk ponders. The question will really be one of meaning. If the computer and robots can do everything better than you, does your life have meaning? Deep stuff, Elon. Maybe we'll just spend our days giving pep talks to our robots or becoming Instagram influencers for AI performance art. Seriously though, if AI is doing all the heavy lifting, what's left for us? Crafting, arts, or maybe perfecting the art of napping? The possibilities are endless, and while Elon's future might sound a bit like a sci-fi movie, the real question is, will there be a role for humans? Musk thinks so. He says, we may give AI meaning. So what do you think? Are you ready to hand over your job to a robot and dive into a life of leisure? Or does the idea make you want to cling to your desk job a little tighter? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, because this is one conversation that's just too fun not to join. Remember, the future might be automated, but the laughs are still manual. Catch you in the next video, where we might just teach robots how to understand sarcasm. Now that's a skill they'll need if they're hanging out with us.